Late last week, a federal judge ruled that Tucker Carlson should not be taken seriously by anyone. That's actually a part of the ruling, by the way. And the reason, by the way, that this judge ruled Tucker Carlson should not be taken seriously by anyone is because lawyers for Fox News, who were fighting a defamation suit against Tucker, actually went into court and argued successfully, according to the judge, that no reasonable person should take what Tucker Carlson says seriously. Now, Fox won the case because they were able to argue this. The case, by the way, was brought by former Playboy model Karen McDougal, who had an affair with Donald Trump. And back in 2018, I believe it was, Tucker Carlson said that it sounds like McDougal was extorting Donald Trump. And it was that statement that got him in trouble. She sued him for defamation. Last week, federal judge said, hey, it's not defamation because it can't defame you because no normal person would take this clown seriously. So it sucks for McDougal, but it sucks even more for Tucker Carlson because your own network, your own lawyers had to go before a judge and be like, listen, you've seen the guy, right? I mean, what normal person in this country is going to look at that and be like, oh, yeah, I could trust him? No, everybody's going to look at him and be like, wow, what a goofball. We can't listen to a word he says. In fact, the judge said, this is part of the ruling, that the network, quote, persuasively argues that given Mr. Carlson's reputation, any reasonable viewer arrive with an appropriate amount of skepticism about the statements he makes. So if you're a reasonable person and you're watching Fox News, you're going to conclude that this guy's not telling the truth. So the converse of that means that if you're watching Fox News, if you're watching Tucker Carlson, and you find yourself agreeing with him, by Fox News's own admission, you're not a reasonable person. That's what that means. And that's what these right-wing media consumers have to understand. They don't even take themselves seriously. Tucker Carlson is not the first person to have his reputation destroyed in court. Think back to Alex Jones during those custody hearings, when his lawyer actually went and argued, this is all an act. He's not really crazy. He doesn't believe the things he's saying. It's an act. He is playing a character. Do the InfoWars viewers care? No, because they don't pay attention to that stuff. Are Tucker Carlson's viewers going to care? I mean, he is the highest viewed person in the history of cable news. And a court has ruled that a normal person, somebody with a fully rational brain, would not take him seriously. That is now a legal ruling in the United States that you can't take Tucker Carlson seriously unless you're not rational. Sorry, folks. The courts have spoken. If you believe everything Tucker Carlson says, then you're no longer considered a rational person in the eyes of the law.